Greetings to all of you traders out there, wherever you are in the world. This AZZAM Karmaya from AT channel, specialized in analyzing and coding trading strategies to help traders to improve their work. Today I'm going to talk about a strategy already exists in TradingView. And we're going to change trading rules and some settings according to tradeiq. And the win rate according to tradeiq is 66% on the 5 minutes time frame. And the win rate on the 4 hours time frame is 69%. And by the way, if any of you guys has a suggestion about a certain strategy, and wants me to make a code and video about it, then you're more than welcome to leave me a comment with a link about it and I'll check it out and get back to you with another video. So let's start. Let's add the strategy to our chart. Neural network. Let's go ahead and dive into trading rules and explanation of this strategy. We're going to remove some options. For a long signal to be valid, the HMA line must be above 200 EMA, and the price must be above the blue HMA line. With a long signal, now we can take a long position. Our stop loss must be under the recent lower low, or on fast moving average. And the risk to reward ratio will be 1.5. And now let's move on to short condition. For a short signal to be valid, the HMA line must be below 200 EMA, and the price must be below the red HMA line. With a short signal, now we can take a short position. Our stop loss must be above the recent higher high, or on fast moving average. And the risk to reward ratio will be 1.5. We're gonna check some trades.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal.
Now it's time to code it to see if it's actually working and what the win rate is. And we're finally done. I will put a link to this code down below in description and it's completely free. Now, let's see the result. As we can see, the win rate is 34%. But if our stop loss above the recent higher high or under the recent lower low, let's check it and see the results.
I'm so gone, no I'm never turning in my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks, aftermath, when I hate I attack. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't stop, don't stop.
As we can see, the win rate is 49%. And we have many options here you can choose from them. You can use only long or short trades. Use reversal trade. Use stop loss to break even. And you can use different types of stop loss and take profit, like percentage, ATR, higher high lower low, or pips. You can also use max trade per direction. And multiple take profit level. And you can choose a specific time to trade. You can also link this code to a bot like Wunder Trading or 3Commerce or Alert Atron by just copying the bot A order to this panel. If you would like to check and try this strategy by yourself, then I provided the link in the description down below. So you can use it but carefully. And this was all. I hope it was helpful for you. If you like the content, hit the subscribe button. Good luck and stay tuned for another video.